If you are a Reiki beginner, here are 3 tips for you. The very first tip: always cup your hands when you practice Reiki. The energy needs space to move. Cupping your hand provides exactly that. There is space for the energy to move. So cup your hands. You will see a difference when you keep your hands absolutely straight or cup them. It's not that the energy is not moving when your hands are straight. It's not that you're not channelizing it, but you don't feel it more. You don't feel the flow as much more. It doesn't flow as smoothly if the hands are not cupped. Second tip: place your hands very gently on the area that needs Reiki. Many times in the beginning, people tend to place their hands really hard. It has to be a light touch. If you are applying pressure on the body part or anywhere that you are touching to give Reiki, the focus becomes the pressure. The person you're giving Reiki to, and even you, might feel the force of the hand instead of the energy itself. It has to be a light touch. It also does not make your client or the other person or even yourself as uncomfortable. Third tip: place your hands in one position for at least 3 to 6 minutes. Many times, especially in the beginning, people tend to move from one area to another really fast, not giving time for the energy to start moving or to yourself to start feeling that energy. So try these 3 tips and see how it makes a difference. Please like and share this video. Do comment and share your thoughts. And do contact me if you need any more Reiki concerns or questions or tips. Tune in and subscribe to my channel Inner Sanctuary Wellness for more Reiki tips, mindfulness techniques, and meditations. This is Monica from Inner Sanctuary Wellness. Have a wonderful day.